Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're going to show you how to replace a drum in an HP LaserJet M130. It's a pretty simple process. The first thing you're going to do is lift the multifunction scanner. And then we're going to open this top cover. Now before we can replace the drum, we're going to have to remove the toner. So you reach in and we'll pull the toner out and set it off to the side. And then above the toner, there's another you'll see another handle, and that's going to be for your drum. So we'll pull out our old drum. We'll get our new Onyx brand drum. Let's set that off to the side here. So now we just do it in the opposite order. We're going to put the drum in first, making sure that it clicks all the way in, and then we can reinstall our toner. Again, making sure that that clicks all the way in place. Lower the top cover and the scanner, and then just like that, you're back up and printing.